can these bodies be identified?
When the happy equipment,
But they still are finding so many bodies there.
Well, the message I think is first of all that the solidarity of the world has been impressive, but that what is important now is to coordinate the efforts and not to work everybody for himself or just to show his colors. Let's coordinate the work, because that is what is most important for the people here, that, let's say, the whole region is reconstructed as quickly as possible, that people can start working again, and that not everybody is trying once again, you know, to show that he is the best or the biggest or that he gives the best aid.
Yasin Bey'le. Tamam. Tamam.
Aleykümselam.
Aleykümselam.
Sosyal destek programı ile ilgili ruh hastalığı hastanesiyle ilgili
Hemen gidelim.
1999 yılında benzer bir deprem felaketini yaşamış ülkenin evlatlarıyız.
We're children of a country that went through a similar earthquake in 1999.
Şüphesiz ki burada çok daha ağır, bedeli çok daha büyük bir felaket yaşandı.
Undoubtedly, the tragedy here was even worse, and the casualties were even higher.
Allah'ımız daha büyük felaketlerden bizleri korusun.
May Allah protect us from even worse disasters.
Şu anda üzerimize düşen insani bir görev var, İslami bir görev var.
Now we have a humanitarian and Islamic duty to serve here.
O da dost ve kardeş Endonezya'ya, Aceh'e şüphesiz ki yardım elimizi uzatmak.
And that is to extend our hand of help to our brother and friend Indonesia and people of Aceh here.
Gördüğümüz kadarıyla konut konusunda, okul konusunda, hastane konusunda, yetimhaneler konusunda bizler de elimizden gelen yardımı Türkiye olarak yapmak isteriz.
The needs we see here regarding housing, schools, orphanages, hospitals, we will do our best to assist as much as we can to those needs.